and welcome back to day 2 of Evidence by Josh Baldwin. Yesterday we learned how to sign verse 1 in the chorus, and today we're going to learn verse 2 in the bridge. My name is Mandy, and I'm really glad that you are here. If you don't know already, if you look below the video in the description, there's a link to print off the lyrics, and if you don't mind, I'd really appreciate it if you consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so verse 2 starts with, help me remember when I'm weak. So help is a great sign. You're going to take your dominant hand in kind of a thumbs up position. Your non-dominant hand is going to be with a flat hand below. You can just bring it up. Okay, help. Help me, and then remember. So for this, you kind of have two, not total thumbs up, but your thumb is slightly up. And here, from your forehead, come down and tap your other thumb twice. Okay? Help me remember when I'm weak. When, okay? When I'm then weak. You're standing and then you fall to your knees. When I'm weak. Fear may come, but fear will leave. So fear, and it's really important your body language here. I bring my shoulders in, fear, okay? Fear. Fear, and then may come. Come is like this, so you're finger over finger, come. And then this is, I really like to hit the butt here, okay? You take your index, butt, okay? But, fear, and then we'll leave. So for leave, it's like you're almost taking something and pulling it away. Leave, okay? Fear will leave. Let's try that from the top. Help me remember when I'm weak. Fear may come, but fear will leave. You lead my heart to victory. You, God in heaven, lead. So you're going to take your non-dominant hand and pull your dominant hand. Okay, someone's leading you. You lead my heart. Okay, making a heart over your chest. And then to victory. So for victory, you have your non-dominant hand like this. It's almost like you grab the baton or grab, it always makes me think, were any of you guys growing up in Awana and you run around the circle and then you're running in, you're trying to get that thing on the top, you grab it, right? And then victory, you're celebrating. Okay, grab it, victory. You are my strength and you always will be. You are my, and then strength, you're going to show your muscles, okay? Strength, and you always. So always is like this, okay? So you take your fist with your index finger up, fingers all pointed towards your body, and you go around, okay? You always, and then will, it's a B coming out from the side of your face, will, and then B comes out from your chin. Will be. Will be. Okay, and that's the whole verse 2. Let's practice a few times, right? The verses are the tricky part, but the chorus is smooth sailing. So help me remember when I'm weak, that fear may come, but fear will leave. Okay, leave. You lead my heart to victory. You lead my heart to victory. You are my strength, and you always will be. Let's try it one more time, okay, guys? Help me remember when I'm weak, that fear may come, but fear will leave. You lead my heart to victory. You are my strength, and you always will be. Okay? And then it goes into the chorus, and then it's the bridge. Okay, so for the bridge, it's a little fast, but it's exciting. We get to see the cross, the empty grave. So this again is your sight line, right? See and then cross, making a C hand position. You're going to outline the cross, okay? see the cross, and then the empty grave. Empty is a tricky sign, so it's almost like your feeling hand. So you have that middle finger kind of bent a little more, and then empty. It kind of goes behind, okay? Empty. But then conveniently your hand is here for grave, which is like showing a mound of dirt. Okay, so empty, grave, empty, grave, empty, grave. The evidence is endless. So the evidence, right? We learned that. And then endless is forever. So always. And then that Y hand pushed out. Okay. All my sin rolled away. So my, and then sin is like this. Okay. Have hand position like this. Sin. Okay. Sin. And then rolled away. So for this, I'm just going to push it out there. Woo! Adios. Sin. And because of you, oh Jesus. Because of you, Jesus. Jesus is nail-pierced hands. So because kind of go across your forehead, and it's not quite a thumbs up, but it's, you bend those fingers again, okay? And it kind of is a bit of a swoop, okay? Because of you, pointing to God in heaven, and then Jesus, nail-pierced hands. Let's try it from the top of the bridge, okay? So see the cross, the empty grave, the evidence is endless. All my, oh, I wouldn't do all, probably it's really fast. So my sin is rolled away because of you, Jesus. Okay, now that repeats, so we'll repeat it too. See the cross, the empty grave, the evidence is endless. My sin rolled away because of you, Jesus. Okay? And then after that, it would go back to the chorus, but I am going to tell you a little bit at the very end. When it does the chorus one last time, there's a couple lines there at the very end. It's like, why should I fear? The evidence is here. Why should I fear? The evidence is here. So instead of why should I fear, because it is a little tricky to sign questions, and this is a rhetorical question, instead I'm going to say, I am not fearful, okay? I am not, so not, you kind of have that halfway thumbs up coming up for your chin and shaking your head. Not fearful, fearful, because the evidence is here. The evidence is here. I should not fear. The evidence is here. So practice as many times as you need to, and when you're ready, you can move on to the next video. We are going to put everything we learned from day 1 and day 2 together, and we're going to walk through the song top to bottom. I hope wherever you are healthy and you are well, and that I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Now to him who is able to do far more than we can ask or imagine, according to the power within us. God gave us the power to change the world, and I just pray that you go and show God's love this week, and we'll see you next week for another song. Bye.